Hello, my friends. How are you doing? This is Aaron Levin from myHerb. I want to show you a new application we're almost finished. It's called Trimpact, and it's all about planting tree and reforestation. As you can see, this is our main page, how it's look like. Plant trees, change life. You can calculate your impact and this is how it's look like. You can start by transport, how much you travel weekly by car in a matter of kilometers. So you can choose, let's say, 100. What is your car fuel efficiency? It's about, if it's diesel, it's lower. If it's regular gasoline, it's higher. Let's leave it medium. Now, number of flights per year. Oh, let's say there are short flights, two per year. Let's say medium flight, once per year. Next, we're going to the home section. How much monthly electricity usage in kilowatts? You every month you get the electricity, your electricity usage at your home, and you can fill out this section by testing your paper you get every month, your bill for your electricity. So check it out and you can reduce it by this calculator. So monthly gas usage, also you can check it by your pay bill. And renewable energy usage. Are you using renewable energy? If yes, partial, none, or full. Home size, medium, small, large. Let's leave it as it is. Then we got the food, if you vegetarian or heavy meat or mixed. Let's leave it as it is. And then we got the shopping. New clothing items purchased per month. How many clothes you buy per month? Let's leave it as it is. New electronics per year and percentage of second-hand purchases. This is a sustainable part of this chart. As many you are participate in second-hand purchasing, it's type of recycling. So the higher its percentage, the better you are recycle and improve the environmental impact. So let's calculate. And then we got our annual CO2 emissions by kilograms. We got how many trees needed to offset, to remove all your bad impact on environment. You need to plant 183 trees. It will cause you estimately 640 dollars, and there is your footprint. Here is the global average, and you are there. So offset your carbon footprint. You can offset by planting 184 trees, or and it will help absorb the CO2 emissions from your lifestyle and contribute to a healthier planet. You can share your results. All right. You can plant trees, and there are some tips for you according to your usage of energy, how to reduce your impact. For example, transportation. Use public transportation when possible. Consider carpooling or ride sharing. switch to an electric or hybrid vehicle. Home energy, improve home insulation, use energy efficient appliances. Consumption, choose products with less packaging. Repair art item instead of replacing them. Minimize food waste. Buy local and seasonal products. All right, let's plant trees now. So, plant trees, change lives. Your donation directly supports reforestation projects around the world. Well, we are actually using our partners of tree planting and connecting them to our donation and reforestation efforts. So, as you can see, you can choose donation type, if it's monthly, if it's one time, if it's corporate giving, if it's gift donation. You can enter a custom amount or choose our main amount, let's say 50. If you donate 50, as you can see, this is changed to 40 trees will be planted for that amount. So then you can choose your project, or either it's Global Reforestation Fund or the Amazon Reforest Restoration, Bureau Orangutan Habitat, California Wildfire Recovery. Then you can choose your way of paying, if it's PayPal, Apple Pay, credit card. Let's say we will donate, we'll write my name, I agree, donate 50, and there is how it will look like. Thank you for your donation. Your contribution is making a real difference for our planet. Amount donated, tree planted. Details: your donation to Global Reforestation Fund will help to plant 40 trees, which will absorb approximately 350 kilograms of CO2 per year. Share this with your friends or make another donation. All right. Featured projects. You can contribute to different projects. This is actually a demo version of our application. It will be much full of information, data, and options and features. As you can see, it's this is the menu. There is also, I will show you our main page. This will be our global impact. We'll show you how totally tree was planted through this app, how much CO2 reduced globally, and how many active members are here. How tree impact works. Calculate your impact, plant trees, and track your progress. Join our global community. Browse projects, explore community, connect with like minded individuals, participate in challenges, collaborate. There we got the achievements and rewards section. Earn badges, climb the leaderboard, and get rewarded for environmental contributions. As you can see, it's made it up by steps. As many trees you planted, you got the higher budgets. It's start by seedling, then it's got if 10 trees, it's you turn to gardener. 53, you got the forester. Then it's go on to Earth Guardian, 500 trees, and 1000 trees. You got the Climate Hero reward. This is how look like when you try to log in. You got this option to log in by Facebook and Google. Sign up. Then not all the page are currently working, but we are progress every day. We do changes and improving it very often. As you can see, I got an error. Got back to the page. Then when I want to plant a trees, when I want to plant some trees, I go to donate. No matter how many, yeah, I also already got in real time how many trees I can plant with my contribution. And if I can choose different projects and donate, and I already got the results. Make another donation, share with friends, community map. If I click the map, I can see my contribution in live results. Let's say how much I planted in Amazon for rainforest restoration in Brazil. If it's Madagascar, if it's Himalaya forest conversion, if it's Scottish Islands Reforestation Project in United Kingdom, or California wildfire recovery in United States, you can see how many was planted and our goal. View the project. As you can see, this is one we need to work on. Basically, we are actually trying to find a way to improve it every day, and every page we build is not easy. It's connecting APIs, and there is a picture we will add. It will be all every time will get better and better. And as you can see, this is the main page, the dashboard. And we will have an educational section and community. And this is very nice, very beautiful multi-language dashboard or platform that will be free for everyone. And I would like to invite you to participate in this development if you like to volunteer. We are open and send us mail. I will leave a mail below and you can comment and contribute. So thank you for your time and I will be very happy to hear um, um, your feedback and what should be improved. If it's donation, then I need to have the option to choose what where want to donate or choose by trees and not by amount of money. It's there are many options and ideas I will implant. So thank you very much for your time. Have a nice day. This was Aaron from myHerb with the new application Trimpact we're developing. Thank you and have a nice time.